You know when you walk around the food courts and these Asian ladies are like, you want a sample? And you're always starving and it's like, let's do that. Let's make teriyaki chicken with fried cabbage. We're going to start off with the teriyaki sauce. Half a cup of water into a pan. Half a cup of less sodium soy sauce. If you use regular soy sauce, it may be saltier, but I always use less sodium. Into our pan. A quarter cup of brown sugar. I'm going to do 4 tablespoons. 3, 4 nicely packed tablespoons. 4. Now you can use honey or corn syrup. 2 tablespoons. I should have sprayed my spoon first. 2 tablespoons of mirin. It's optional, but it's authentic. It's sweet cooking seasoning. It's ideal for teriyaki and plum sauce. 2 tablespoons. A tablespoon of rice vinegar. This is going to balance the sweetness. Add in 2 heaping teaspoons of minced garlic. So I'm going to say about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I'm only going to use about half a teaspoon of minced ginger. If you're using fresh ginger, you can do 2 teaspoons or less. Ginger can get overpowering. Oh, see, that's a bit too much for me. Half a teaspoon. Now we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of cornstarch into a little mixing bowl. And you're going to need 2 teaspoons of water, at least 2 teaspoons. You might need more. Sometimes I'll do 3 teaspoons. And give that a good mix. But I'm not going to pour this in yet. I'm going to start my stove and I'm going to cook this until the sugar dissolves. All right, now that the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to stir my cornstarch slurry one last time and then add it to our pan. Give that a mix and let the sauce thicken. Obviously, if you like thicker sauce, do another batch of the cornstarch slurry. I'm going to cook this until it thickens. That looks good to me. I'm going to shut this off and I'm going to let this cool before we put it into our bottle. These bottles are 8 ounces. I got a 6-pack from Amazon and I'm going to cut half a cabbage. Cut it to desired size. I kind of want like bigger chunks to this size. I have the pre-shredded carrots, probably half a cup or maybe 1 whole carrot. And I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Love garlic with my vegetables. Actually, before we do the chicken, my sauce has cooled down some, so let's